In this video, we will learn how to join TrollyGo. First, click the Join button at the top of the homepage. Carefully review the terms and conditions and check the box to agree. Then, click the Next button at the bottom. Now, let's create an account. Fill in your ID and click Verify to check if they can be used. The ID must be 8 to 10 characters long, consist of letters and numbers. Then, set your password. The password must be 6 to 12 characters long, including letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter the same password in the confirmation field below. Next, enter your company email address and click the Verify button to receive a verification code. Check your email inbox, enter the verification code, and click Confirm. If you do not receive the verification code due to corporate security settings, please check your spam folder. If you still haven't received it, please contact us at info@trollygo.com. Click Add Company Information and add company information to enter your company details and access TrollyGo's product inquiry and various services. TrollyGo is integrated with NICE DNB, which provides information on approximately 500 million companies worldwide, allowing you to enter company information easily and quickly with a single search. As an example, let's register STX as company information. First, select the country and enter the company name in English. You can search using the company name, but for more accurate results, try using advanced search to search with detailed information. From the search results, check the address and select the correct company by clicking the Select button. If the company does not appear in the search results, re-enter by clicking Try Again. Or click Enter manually to enter the company information yourself. On the next screen, review the automatically filled company information and add only the required information that has not been filled in. Make sure to upload your business registration file as a PDF file. Once all company information has been entered accurately, fill out the information of the person in charge. Finally, select the joining path, add any additional comments, and click the Save button to complete adding the company information. Lastly, if you would like to trade as a vendor on TrollyGo, agree to the vendor terms and click the Apply as a Vendor button to complete your application. The vendor approval review takes approximately 3 to 5 days, and the result will be sent via email. If you wish to use TrollyGo as a buyer only, click the Skip Now button at the top right to complete the registration. If you decide to register as a vendor later, you can apply through the Vendor menu at the top. Welcome to TrollyGo. Now experience easier and faster global digital trade.